how to give someone access to file or folder on Google Drive on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to give someone access to your Google Drive on PC. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your Google browser and head to drive.google.com, and here make sure that you are logged in to your account. And once you are inside the Google Drive, simply hit to My Drive and find the file or folder that you want to share. For this video, I'll be sharing this folder. So I'm going to simply right click on it, and after that a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Share. And once you tap on Share, again another pop-up menu will appear. Now here you can either type in an email address to share directly or get a link to share over apps like Messenger or text. So here simply add the person emails and select what type of access that you want to give them. You can either give them viewer, commenter or editor. And once you're done selecting that, make sure that the notify people box is checked so they get notified once they get an email. And once done, simply click on send. And that's it. That's how you can give someone access to a file or folder on Google Drive on PC. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.